of better climate. So that event is called Friday for Future Climate March. So when we are marching here today, although we are not going out of the school, we will be marching. Is that okay? Shall we do that? Did not think I'm of already a lot of troubles in America. There's huge fire every year, and this year there was one of the largest fire. There were hundreds of helicopters and then fire engines working to combust it, but they could not. There was wildfire in Mexico. There was wildfire in the Amazon forest. Thousands and thousands of animals have died. There was a huge wildfire in Australia just this year. The temperature in Australia has reached one of the highest in decades. In many, many years, the temperature in Australia was highest. There are unexpected tsunamis in the world. Strange weather changes are happening. Our future is not safe because of all the carbon dioxide that releases out from our cars, trucks, vehicles, because of harmful